Welcome to our comprehensive guide on how to prevent anyone from tagging you in photos in X. Protecting your privacy and controlling your online presence is essential. In this video, we'll walk you through the step-by-step process of preventing photo tagging in X. Let's get started. Step 1. Open the X app on your device. Once the app is open, you'll be taken to the main screen. Step 2. Locate the account icon, typically positioned in the top right corner. Tap on the account icon to access your account settings. Step 3. Within the account settings, look for the option labeled Settings and Support. Tap on it, and it will open a drawer with additional settings. Step 4. Inside the drawer, tap on Settings and Privacy to access the privacy and safety settings. Step 5. Within the privacy and safety settings, tap on Account Information. Step 6. Look for the option labeled Audience and Tagging. Tap on it to proceed. Step 7. Inside the audience and tagging settings, locate the option labeled Photo Tagging and select Off to prevent anyone from tagging you in photos. And there you have it. You have successfully prevented anyone from tagging you in photos in X, giving you control over your online presence and privacy. Thank you for watching, and may your X experience be tailored to your privacy, preferences, and peace of mind.